Hi techs! Welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use live speech on your iPhone. You see, with live speech, you can type what you want to say and have it spoken out loud. To do this, first go to Settings. Tap Accessibility. Tap Live Speech. Select the voice. There are a number of different voices and accents you can choose from. Now, turn on live speech. Triple-click the side button to show live speech. Now, enter phrases that you want your iPhone to say.
How are you?
It's much easier, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and I will see you in the next one. And keep speaking out loud.
Hello.